Hey, it's Scotty. And on this episode of Scotty's Fish, we are going to make the homemade CO2. I have my 2-liter bottles. This is the recipe per bottle. So I have 2 tanks, that's why I have 2 bottles. So, this is everything you need. Sugar, yeast, baking soda. I don't have a funnel, so I just use this measuring cup. Put a cup of sugar in with hot water, mix that together, and then you're gonna want to add a half teaspoon of yeast and a half teaspoon of baking soda, and then you'll mix that all together. Pour your contents that you have in your measuring cup into the 2-liter bottle, and then from there you'll just add water till it gets a little bit over halfway, maybe 2/3 full, not all the way, probably like right there, and then that's at like the most you want. You'll want the water to be lukewarm at that point once it's in the bottle. So if you got it really hot and you made it syrup pretty much, then you'll just want to like add cold water until it gets like the lukewarm room temperature, and then you can just tighten it on. I'll show you how mine are. So on the bottle cap, I just glued the tube to it, drilled a hole in it, glued all over it as you can tell, strip it on the sides, but yeah, I'll just screw that on, and at the end of the other hose is just air stone. And then just release a little bit of CO2. This is the CO2 mixture, the lukewarm water with the sugar, yeast, and baking soda. And now I'm gonna screw it on. Pretty much just have to hold the top of the cap on and just screw the bottom. It doesn't take too long for it to start working in the tank and seeing that it's actually working. We won't see it right away, but down there where that blue tube is where I have my air stone. Alright, so I just added these plants, these ones right here, and the stall guide. And we just started the CO2 this weekend, so we'll come back, look at these plants in a week, see if we notice any differences. Go back up in here, see if he grows it all. And the CO2's on this side, so we'll see if it affects him. That way, see if it affects anybody. Should help him grow a lot faster though, especially with the oxygen and the CO2. We'll see. All right, you can see my other tank. That's just the stone, whatever, and CO2 just coming out. Nice, slow, steady release. This one had a little leak, so I put some glue on it. Normally it has a little fizzle like the other one, but it's just doing a little bubble. Still releasing CO2. I'll have to try and fix it, but yeah, let's check it out once the